vlog.
Good morning.
Good morning. Happy, what day is it? Sunday? Monday?
Monday.
Happy Monday. Trevor and I have an exciting day ahead of us. So right now we're going to get coffee and then we're gonna go get an alignment, cross our fucking fingers because we have a trip up to Seattle this Friday. So in 4 days, we need this alignment bad. You guys know if you watch the vlogs that literally every single time we fucking went to get an alignment, some other reason made us not be able to. So we're gonna go get alignment and then we're gonna go get groceries. We're gonna come home and then edit and clean, and then Trevor is gonna hop on for a fucking at least 24-hour stream. It's just gonna be you and I tonight vlog. Yep. I'm sleeping alone. Anyway, come along with us for our day.
No wonder your stomach get like that. Go for hours, fuck in the shower.
We're trying to find Trevor a cowboy hat for his RDRT stream. It actually, here.
Doesn't look horrible.
No, it looks good.
Makes me look like a cone head though.
No, that's just part of that's the name of the game, baby. Okay, we got groceries. Trev's putting them in the back. We also got dog food. We got a freaking toy horse. Like, we got some shit, boy. We got a lot of groceries. We're gonna be chilling for a while, safe to say. Okay, guys, I am currently on the couch editing. I'll be editing for probably a couple hours now. I just finished one TikTok video. Now I have to edit my vlogs, except I didn't post last night, so I have to edit 2 vlogs in one. That's gonna suck, but whatever. I'm doing it because I love it. I have to take a shower though today, and then I have to film my next Red Bull video because that video did really good and it's doing really good. So bless up. But yeah, I'll be editing for a little while, rotting away, and then I'll update you guys when I'm gonna go shower. My hair is actually so fucking greasy. Let me just put my hood on really quick. I'm gonna take a shower like I said I was going to, but then it became dinner time and I didn't even stop editing until right as I was starting dinner. So I haven't filmed today either, but I was just thinking I'm just gonna film tomorrow. Trevor started his stream where he can't get off until he finishes Red Dead Redemption, and it's like a 40-hour game, so it's just gonna be you and I for a little bit. But that being said, cute little package from Pacifica. So let's open it together. This is what is inside of it. Let's see. Pacifica had like a brand refresh. Like, they changed up their packaging and I think it's so beautiful. Like, it was cute before, but like now it feels more trendy, I would say. So anyway, they sent me the Melt For You Moisturizing Gentle Oil Cleanser. Inside of this packaging is so freaking cute. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the one I have in my bathroom right now. Okay, very good. I haven't used it a bunch because I've been using a different one first, but I'm excited for that. Next, we have a Hydro Dew Slime, which that sounds really interesting. I can't lie to you. I don't actually know what this is, but it's probably really good. This is Glow Baby Treatment Super Lip Booster Serum. This also looks yummy. Ooh, that looks nice. Maybe I'll use all of these after my shower. And then the last thing they sent is the Dreamlit Illuminating Lotion. Dreamlit. I'm loving this new rebrand of Pacifica. Thank you guys so much for sending me all this. I can't wait to try it. Okay, wait, this looks actually so fucking good. This is dinner. I'll bring it up to Trev now. Okay, so time for dinner. I'm actually really excited because I have never had a ginger lime poppy before. You can go outside. I'm finally trying a ginger lime poppy, which I'm really excited about. I've never had it. That sounds like the best combination ever in my head. Cheers. Wow, this is dinner. Followed this recipe. Looks really good. Oh, very, very good. Let's try the chicken. Here we go. It's insane. If you guys can, you should make that recipe. Super easy, really fucking good. I think I'm about to play some Fortnite soon. Also, I showered, by the way, and I just put on like 10 layers of moisturizer. I think I'm gonna make a late night tea because I'm probably gonna be up for a while. For teas tonight, I'm gonna do the one I did before. This is the wild raspberry hibiscus. I'm also gonna mix it with Moroccan mint. I feel like that would be really good. I'm making my tea. I couldn't find the fucking coconut water for a second, but I don't know if you guys seen my vlog a couple days ago or maybe a couple weeks ago where I said I was gonna make that tea, but then I literally forgot all the ingredients. Well, I got the ingredients. I had to switch some things around, but I have a large cup of ice. I put agave at the bottom, lime and lemon and sage, and then I put ginger in here, which is kind of crazy. There's that. I have coconut water. Let's shoot this up. Put that bitch in there.
Hi, my baby.
Hi.
Where was it?
Okay, so I couldn't find lemonade, but this sounded good. Cucumber, lime, and mint. We're gonna literally top this off. Like, there's barely any room. So I'm just gonna put the smallest amount. Agave hasn't melted yet, so whatever. Here we go. Cheers. I'm gonna put more of this. It needs more ice. Like, I filled this whole thing up with ice, but it needs more. Oh my god, that's good. Let me just try this. I don't know if I've ever had coconut water. This is my drink for the rest of the night. Very good. I'm gonna go smoke with Trevor now, even though he's on stream. My vlog. I am watching Trevor's stream still, but I'm gonna go to bed. It's 2 a.m. So this will be the end of the vlog. I love you guys so much. Trevor will be literally streaming all night long, he said. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in tomorrow's. Okay, love you. Bye.